In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal tasks. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started with the initial step. Open your web browser and type in Monday.com to reach the homepage. Once you're there, log into your account. If you have a Google account, you can use that for a quicker login process, making it super convenient to get right into your personal task management. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand panel of your screen. You'll see a plus icon, which is your gateway to the Template Center. Go ahead and click on that plus icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Template Center. This is where the magic happens, as you'll find a variety of templates designed for different purposes. Now, navigate to the tab that says From Our Experts. This tab is particularly useful because it features professionally designed templates that cater to various needs, including scheduling and task organization. Browse through the options available here. Spend a few moments exploring what resonates with your personal workflow. When you find a template that catches your eye and seems like it could align perfectly with your tasks, hover over it. You should see an option that says Use Template. Click on that to load the template into your Monday.com workspace. Once the template is loaded, it's time for the fun part, customizing your board. Make it your own by tailoring it to meet your specific needs. You can start by setting specific plans and naming your tasks clearly. This ensures that you know what each task involves at a glance. Don't forget to establish deadlines for your tasks using the date columns. This is essential for keeping yourself accountable and on track. Next, categorize your tasks into different groups. This can help you visually organize what needs to be done and differentiate between daily, weekly, or even monthly tasks. As the day unfolds, you'll be working through your tasks. When working on a task, make sure to update the status columns accordingly. You can mark tasks as working on it, stuck, or completed. This not only keeps you on track, but also gives you a clear overview of your productivity levels. Finally, it's important to maintain your boards regularly. To stay efficient and manage your workload effectively, make it a habit to update your boards frequently. Reflect on your current priorities and objectives, adjusting your tasks as needed. This ensures that your personal task management system remains organized and aligned with your goals. By following these steps, you'll find that using Monday.com for personal tasks can significantly improve your workflow. It's not just about keeping track. It's about creating a space that works for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in getting started with Monday.com.